Planning your next adventure? Let's talk about the best travel cameras of 2025. Lightweight, powerful, and ready to capture every moment. Here's how to pick the perfect camera for your trip. Before we dive in, hit subscribe, drop a like or dislike, and let me know in the comments. Which camera would you take on your travels? Let's jump in. Number 1. Fujifilm X-E5. Fujifilm cameras are made for travel. Compact, stylish, and loaded with tactile dials that make shooting fun and intuitive. The real magic? Fuji's film simulations. You get gorgeous film-like images straight out of camera. No endless editing. Why the X-E5? It packs Fuji's best features into a small, interchangeable lens body. Think of it as a more flexible version of the X106. Swap lenses for any scene. Landscapes, street, portraits, you name it. The new film simulation dial is a game changer. Instantly switch between looks like Provia, Velvia, or Acros, or save your own custom recipes. With fast autofocus, great low-light performance, and classic Fuji image quality, the X-E5 is a travel setup you'll love for years. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix ZS99. Need a camera that does it all? The Panasonic Lumix ZS99 is your pocket-sized powerhouse. Its 30x optical zoom, 24 to 720 millimeters, covers everything from wide landscapes to distant details, all in a camera that fits in your jacket. No viewfinder, but the 3-inch flip touchscreen is easy to use, just a bit tough in bright sun. The grip feels solid and the design is super compact. Image quality is sharp in good light, and you can even get some background blur for portraits. It shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second, supports vlogging with the flip screen, and lets you pull high-res stills from your videos. Perfect for those blink-and-you-miss-it moments. Number 3. GoPro Hero 13 Black. If your travels are all about action, bungee jumps, surfing, mountain biking, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is a no-brainer. It's tiny but mighty, shooting stunning 5.3K video that looks pro, even if you're just starting out. Photos are vibrant, but video is where GoPro shines. With tons of mounts and accessories, you can record hands-free from anywhere. Helmet, chest, bike, even your pet. You get flexible shooting modes, killer stabilization, and the standard setup is already fantastic. For fast, dynamic travel moments, nothing beats a GPORO. Number 4. OM System Tough. TG7. Need a camera that can survive anything? The OM System Tough TG7 is built for adventure. It's waterproof, shockproof, freeze-proof, and crush-proof. Seriously tough. Despite its size, the TG7 has a versatile zoom, great macro and underwater shooting modes. Plus, built-in GPS, compass, thermometer, and accelerometer. Perfect for tracking every part of your journey. The sensor is smaller, so image quality isn't on par with bigger cameras, but you still get sharp, colorful shots in good light. Number 5. Nikon D5600. Prefer a classic DSLR? The Nikon D5600 is a solid travel pick. With the 18 to 140mm kit lens, you get a versatile range for everything from landscapes to close-ups. The 24.2 megapixel sensor delivers crisp, vibrant images with ISO up to 25,605 frames per second, burst shooting. The 39-point autofocus is quick, and SnapBridge makes it easy to send photos straight to your phone. Video tops out at full HD, but the 820-shot battery life is a huge win for long days out. It's compact for a DSLR, and Nikon's lens options are endless. So, which camera is coming on your trip? For me, the Fujifilm X-E5 is the top pick. Compact, stylish, and delivers stunning photos wherever you go. Perfect for travel pros and casual shooters alike.